Public gardens are beautiful, but behind every green space, there are daily challenges. Repetitive and physically demanding tasks. Plant diseases are often detected too late. Excessive water consumption, heavy dependence on chemical pesticides, and safety risks that put workers at risk every day. That's where our solution comes in. Humate is an AI-powered smart garden assistant system. Instead of treating gardens as spaces that only need maintenance, Humate transforms them into intelligent, connected, and interactive environments. Humate is built to work together. First, RoboDrone deploys its detachable drone for monitoring, imaging, and precise water and pesticide spraying. A robotic arm then trims trees with high precision while minimizing. The soil analysis robot continuously monitors soil conditions. All collected data is displayed on the admin dashboard. The worker task station assigns maintenance tasks. Finally, an emergency communication device enables workers to instantly request assistance whenever needed. Humate designed to connect. The system supports workers with tasks and emergency assistance. At the same time, it engages visitors through interactive gardening experiences that promote learning and environmental awareness. A dedicated mobile app enhances their visit by allowing them to join activities, explore the garden, bringing concept to life. Humate shapes a greener future. Our system helps expand green spaces and keeps plants healthier through continuous monitoring and smart maintenance. More healthy plants mean greater CO2 absorption, contributing to a healthier climate. At the same time, precision irrigation significantly reduces water consumption. Together, we're building a greener future where technology and nature grow side by side.